How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. I'm back with 33rd week of vlog. So let's go and see what I shared. Before I go, we'll start this vlog with a Kopari Coconut Rose Toner review. And then we'll enter the vlog. All the recipes that are available on my channel will be listed in the description box below. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll not waste your time much. Let's go and see this vlog, and most probably this vlog will be divided into two parts, as I don't want to overwhelm with too much information or too much stuff. So I'll divide it into two parts. So let's go and see this beautiful vlog. I feel like I connect to you through this vlog. If you feel the same, comment below and tell me. I would love to hear you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good morning. So I'm back with a review after such a long time. You know, when I love a product, I review it. So let's get into the product. And you also know how much I love taking care of my skin. I strongly believe that the skincare is the most important thing you can do for yourself, and that's what will make your makeup look really beautiful on you. So don't forget to take care of your skin every single day. You don't have to use expensive products, or just like maintaining doing face pack twice or thrice a week. Washing your face regularly morning and night will help your skin a lot. Do try it and let me know how it worked out. And today I'm back with a face mist. You all know how much I love using face mist. Face mists are a very important part of my skincare routine. So today I bought you Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. This is like a mist. You can see how fine of a mist it is. It sprays beautifully and covers your face. Let's look at the positive points and then we'll go to the negative points. So first positive point is I love how it sprays onto the skin, and I love how it smells. I'll show you how I apply it. Just close your eyes and spray all over your face. 2 sprays should be good enough. So let's spray it. That's enough. That's how easy it is. And just gently tap your skin. Right away it will melt into your skin. You don't need to do much to make it melt. That's another positive point. And it instantly comes to the skin and hydrates the skin. I can feel it, if you know what I mean. That's why I love using face mist. So these are the positive points in it. The only negative point I see in it is it's little bit on the pricier side. 5.1 ounce. This is 5.1 ounce. Costs $25. Of course, skincare, it will cost a little bit more extra only. You don't have to compulsorily use it, but I love it. That's why I'm sharing you. Remember, one point, I review and you decide whether the product is right for you or not. I hope you will like this review. If you have any questions about this product, leave me a comment and I will answer it for you. And also leave me a comment if you tried it and if you liked it or not. So let's go and continue our vlog. Hello, how are you? Just came back from sister-in-law's house and took a bath. So ready to start my vlog. So got a good 3 to 4 day vacation. Didn't do anything, absolutely nothing. So ready to get back to my schedule. Do you ever feel like you're more enthusiastic to start your week when you take a vacation from it? I'm like that. I'm ready to get back into my routine. So how are you? Share with me in the comment section below. Let's go. Good night, and I will see you guys on Monday morning. Good morning. So Monday started. Time now is 6:30. So let me start with my exercise. This last whole week I didn't exercise. So time to get back to the routine. So I'm going to start with stretching today. This whole week is going to be busy with cleaning, shopping and everything. So I need to maintain my energy to get through everything. So I think I'll stick with stretching this week. How are you managing? What are you doing? Share with me in the comment section below. Starting again back to the routine as I told you, and I'm starting my day with warm lemon water. This I can really see difference in my body with doing this. Did you feel the difference? Do you do it? Share with me in the comment section below. So, ready for the day. As you can see, fresh and clean. Time is 10:05. I gave breakfast to everyone except myself. I need to eat breakfast. But first, I wanted to talk to you about this. Has been like 3 weeks since I went to grocery. So, surviving with whatever I have. I have few onions, garlic, and chilies are growing in the yard. So, that's how I'm surviving. So, I need to survive another 3 days before I go for grocery trip, because I need to take care of the house first and then go out. So today for lunch I got these from the yard. So I'm going to do a stir fry with little bit of moong dal, and I got one bitter gourd. So I'm going to put this in a tamarind gravy, and that will be our lunch and dinner. So let's get this day started. Nice yummy omelette is getting ready for breakfast, Monday's breakfast, and of course hot tea. We are short on bread, so I don't get bread. That's okay. Rich gourd moong dal fry is almost ready. It will be enough for us for 2 times and done. It's just so tasty with simple spices. I already told you in many of the videos, now that we are growing, it's frequenting more in our recipes, and this week without any tomatoes or much of anything, this is like a staple for us. So let me make bitter gourd and then I'll be back. Bitter gourd and tamarind gravy is also very yummy, little bit bitter, at the same time little bit spicy and sour. Everything combined together, it is awesome. I'll serve lunch in few minutes, so let's go. Hi, what are you doing? Time right now is 8:30. Look how messy my kitchen is. My family just finished dinner. I generally don't eat dinner during the weekdays. Weekends also. Only day I eat dinner is on Friday. That's it. And now I have to clean up the kitchen so that when I wake up to a clean kitchen. So first I'm going to walk for 15 to 20 minutes, clear my head from the day, and then do the kitchen work and peacefully go to sleep. How is your night routine? Share with me in the comment section below. Let me adjust my camera. Look at this. This is called Sarvapindi. It's Telangana special Sarvapindi. This recipe is already there in Telugu in my YouTube channel. Link will be in the description box below if you want to make it. It's similar to thali pit in northern India, which is made with little bit of besan. This is made with rice flour, and in Karnataka it is called akki roti. It's almost same. Did you ever try it? Share with me in the comment section below. So let's taste it. This is our breakfast today. One whole thing will keep you full for hours. It's absolutely delicious. It's made with rice flour. with a cup of coffee. It tastes so good. Let me finish my breakfast and I'll meet you back again. So let's see what I'm making today. As you know, I have very limited grocery. So I have 4 eggs. So I'm going to make onion egg curry. And I have a couple of beetroots which I bought like 3 weeks back. They are still good. As you can see, I'm going to make beetroot fry. So this is for our lunch and dinner. Let's get started. Yummy egg curry is almost ready. This recipe is already in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, link will be in the description box below. It is really good with chapatis or rice or as a side dish. Yummy, just yummy. With so much, you add equal amount of onions with eggs. That's how you make it. Do check it out and to try it out. Let's finish cooking. Rice is already cooked, as you can see the Instapot over there. Rice is done. Just have to make beetroot and we are done for today. Beetroot is almost done. 5 more minutes and it will be done. This recipe is in Telugu in my YouTube channel. If you want to make it, soon I'll upload it in English. Link will be in the description box below. I cleaned up the bowls too, ready to serve lunch. Let's go.